Today we'll be creating this look using the Natasha Denona Mini Love palette. If you love all things beauty, including hauls, unboxings, hair, makeup, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss a video. I'm on a personal style journey and I'd love to have you join me. So you may have seen this palette going around. At first I wasn't going to do swatches, but then I thought, hey, there might be some people that haven't seen it and some people might like to see what it looks like on my skin. So I'm going to put some timestamps below if you just want to get right into the look. But I will be going over the shades. The first one is called You. It's described as a mauvey rose gold. The second one is called R. It's an antique lilac. The third one is My. It's an aubergine deep eggplant. And then we have True. This is an icy pastel pink. Lastly, we have Love. It's a warm medium pink. So I started off with the antique lilac shade, putting that into the crease and just above for my transition shade. I'm using a really fluffy brush with a point. It's just nice for applying transition shades. And then I start by packing in the darker eggplant color into the outer edge from the lash line up to the crease. I didn't want to go too high because once we start blending, that's what's going to bring the color up, and you don't want to go too much there. In the inner corner, just follow from the inner eye up to where your inner socket is. You really just want to follow your eye shape and then just blend out with a brush with no product on it. And then I did blend with a little bit of the antique color as well. I found that mixing the two purples together just helped with the patchiness of the eggplant shade. The shimmer, I started off with applying with a brush, and then I rub my finger in the pan, swipe on the lid, and then pat the extra off, and then just pat to blend the edges. And then I'm going to be blending some more with a brush, and then I'm going to go back into that deeper eggplant color and just add in a little more darkness where some was lost. And that's the key to this look, is really just feel free to ad lib and darken up where you want, blend where you want to diffuse or blow out some of the color, and just being able to kind of trust the process and use blending brushes with no product whenever you need to. Then with that last pink shade, I'm just going to add that to the brow bone, taking the shimmer into the upper brow bone to highlight. And then I'm going to be moving to the bottom where I put the eggplant into the corners, just slightly. I'm using my NYX eyeliner to add a pop of color to my waterline and lower lash line. And I really liked what this added. If you don't have this particular pencil, you could use any one that you wanted, but this particular one was also neon, so it did just add a really nice pop that was fun. You could add in any color you wanted, and then I smoke it out with the mauve color and with some of my bronzer, as you saw. Curling the lashes, I started off with a lengthening mascara. This is the IT Cosmetics Lash Blowout. And then I'm going to go over that with the Laura Geller New York mascara just to add a little bit of volume. You could also do a false lash if you wanted to ramp up this look. I decided that on this particular day, I was just going to go with my natural lashes. I didn't order the full mini love story kit, so I'm just using my Fenty Beauty cream blush in the color Strawberry Drip. And then I'm going to use my Natasha Glow cream stick to add some highlight. And I'm going to just blend that out with my fingers and then go over it with the Glow Gold powders. This was recently on sale, either at Sephora. I believe it was Sephora. At first, I wasn't sure how to use it, but putting it over the cream product is definitely working. I'm just going to use a Juvia's Place lipstick. I'll have the color listed below, but this is the final look. I hope you enjoy it and try it out. Comment down below if you are going to try it. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next one.